So finally, at India's most preferred hospitality mattress brand, we are here gathered at King Coil in conversation with Mr. Archit Gupta, the managing director of King Coil. First of all, sir, we welcome you to NB News Network. Sir, please tell us more about your experiences, especially at this event today.
Well, we have been doing AHAR exhibition for hospitality customers for last 14 years now, and we feel an amazing response out here. And we meet almost all category of our customers here. It's a huge exhibition, and we are quite happy that we keep doing it every year. We rather never missed any year so far.
So, since you said that you have been attending this since the last 14 years, what are the changes that you can see? Has there been improvement and to what scale?
Well, of course, the footfall have increased in 14 years. Secondly, the quality of customers are improving each year, and more up brands are coming, up market brands are coming, which are into premium and luxury. As well as mid-segment brands, we get a lot of customers. So I feel it's a perfect platform, and we are quite happy about it.
So, sir, how significant is partnerships when it comes to hospitality, partnering with King Coil? How significant is that, and how many partners do we have?
Well, partnership is the real avenue for us, where we are in partnership with the top hoteliers like Radisson, Hilton, Hyatt. Marriott is, we are majorly supplying to Marriott and Ramadas. So these partnerships, we are the most preferred mattress brand in India with these all partners. And if you see the influx of new hotels which are coming up, they are tying up with these top brands. So this partnership has become a very vital role so far.
How do you feel after receiving an award for the best or most preferred mattress brand?
Well, it comes with staying consistent over last 14 years out here with King Coil. We have supplied mattresses to so many hotels, and even after 10 years, the quality of mattresses are intact. They don't need to replace. And the durability, overall good quality, and the good guest feedback which has come, we are getting a lot of repeat orders due to this. So I see this is all the hard work which we have done over a period of last decade. So we are quite happy about it.
So, are we talking anything about new launches? You just mentioned 14 years, and 14 years is not a small thing. I'm sure the industry changed, the customers changed, the value additions have changed, even the economy in India is changing, right? So, how are we dealing with those issues or challenges? Firstly, and secondly, please tell us more about any new launches that you have.
So this year we have launched a new model by the name Pillow Soft, and this is the new model out here which you can cover. Another good partnership we'll announce with Marriott in the premium category. The model is over there. It's a youth segment in which top brands of Marriott like Le Méridien and Sheraton. Now King Coil is approved in that segment, and we'll be supplying to them.
Oh my God, I think that's wonderful. And sir, we wish you all the best. And the biggest thing that you taught us today is about consistency. The fact that you are here in AHAR as well since 14 years, and you even got the award. So congratulations once again. Thank you so much, sir.